Hey, welcome back to Mama Weesie. And guess what day it is? It's cooking day. Christmas colors. Reds and green. Okay, I didn't tell y'all what I was cooking. So the onions is going to on top of the boneless beef chop roast. I'm going to be making stovetop pot roast. Okay? It's going to be with the seasoning, onions, the bell peppers, the green and red bell peppers. So yeah. And I'll be serving it along with the garlic mashed potatoes. Cover the bottom of the pot. Now I'm going to fill this spoon up with sugar, because that's how I brown my gravy. Sprinkle that around in there. And I let that get brown. Let that get brown. I'm going to show y'all how brown the gravy is. How brown it is before I put the meat in. That's the brownness. Because the grease like to pop up. When it's cool down, I put the onions on top. Show you how one side look. I'm gonna let the other down, and then I'll be adding my water. Ready. So when that side finishes brown, I can add the water so it can simmer on down. Let it finish cook like that. I'm gonna show y'all the other side. This is the other side. And see the onions inside of it fry up good with it. Brown still. So now I'm about to add my cup of water. So that can finish cook on down. Okay. I'm gonna add another cup. Add another cup. So I can really simmer on down. Okay, put my lid on. Put the fire on high. Now, left to do is wait. So now we got to do is wait until it finish boil down and separate. Then we know it's ready. Now the peppers goes in. Christmas colors. mashed potato. Salt. Milk. We're going to use a stick of butter. Coming apart, so you know it's done. Just simmer it down some more. Milk and water and butter boiling for the mashed potato. For the mashed potatoes. Ooh. Pot roast. All right, coming up to the top, so I'm gonna turn it off. Potatoes, roasted garlic. Okay, my Weesie Nation. As you can see, the roast is done, the mashed potatoes is done. Now it's time for me to go eat. And if you like what you saw, don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go subscribe. And I'm out. I had to turn the camera back on. I just finished my food, and that thing was delicious. Woo! I'm going to show y'all my plate. Go to plate. Here go my plate. I clean it. I clean the plate. I clean it.